Today, we're making a gentle and nourishing barley milk soup with egg, a perfect dish for people with sensitive stomachs or mild gastritis. This soothing recipe is designed to be easy on digestion while providing valuable nutrients to help the stomach heal and recover.
We start with pearl barley. Rinse it well under cold water to remove excess starch and any dust. Barley is rich in soluble fiber, which forms a protective coating in the stomach, helping reduce irritation and promoting healing of the mucous membrane.
Place the rinsed barley in a pot. Cover with cold water and cook over low heat with the lid on for at least 2 to 3 hours. Slow cooking releases the grain's mucilaginous substances, creating a smooth texture that gently coats the stomach lining.
Once the barley is fully cooked and soft, press it through a fine sieve along with the cooking liquid, then strain to remove any remaining husks. This step ensures the soup is silky smooth, ideal for people who need easily digestible meals.
Reheat the strained barley broth, then mix warm milk with raw egg yolk and add it to the soup. Milk provides easily absorbable protein and calcium, while the egg yolk is rich in vitamins A, D, and E, supporting tissue repair and overall nutrition.
Add a small amount of sugar for gentle sweetness and finish with a knob of butter just before serving. Butter adds a smooth mouthfeel and healthy fats, which help protect and lubricate the stomach lining.
Serve this barley milk soup warm. It's not only comforting and delicious, but also a carefully balanced meal that supports digestion and helps the stomach recover from irritation. Take care of your health, eat mindfully, and may every meal bring you strength and well-being. Wishing you a smooth recovery and many days full of comfort and energy.